This weekend we are at Tiny Fest at the Del Mar Fairgrounds in San Diego area, and there are tiny homes, there are schoolies, there are lots of vans. Our van was here for showing. There's lots of builders, and we're gonna go check out some of the other tiny homes they have. We're Rich and Robin. Join us on our retirement travel adventures in our midlife van. We spent the weekend in the nomadic village at Tiny Fest, showing off our van to hundreds of visitors. We're headed to Tiny Fest in sunny Southern California.
We need the villagers though. We needed to wash the vans.
So we're leaving the wet weather. Hopefully we'll get some sunshine.
Yes.
San Diego, here we come.
We look forward to meeting you all.
We have made it to Tiny Fest, day 0, setup day. Still getting some of that Baja dust off the dash, Rich?
Tons of Baja dust, but she'll be clean.
And what is this wet stuff outside?
It is something we're not used to, Robin. It's cold rain.
I want to go back to the beach in Baja. And we've got to make the bed because we washed all the sheets and clean up the joint because we're giving tours tomorrow. Look at this. Laundry day's over, time to clean up. When we arrived Friday, we met up with friends who we hadn't seen for a couple of years. We hung out in the van as it rained, catching up on all the stories of our past travels. Besides showing off our van, we shared all the great things we take along on our adventures to have fun in the water and the outdoors. It was great talking to many people, sharing our van, talking about our travels, and discussing their upcoming plans for building vans or going on adventures. While at Tiny Fest, we took the time to explore some other vehicles and tiny homes on display. There were great workshops and entertainment throughout the weekend. We had a great weekend at Tiny Fest. It was great meeting so many people and sharing our van and meeting others living the nomadic lifestyle, and hopefully we'll see you at the next one.